Well, hi guys, Mark here and welcome to Poole Moto here in the south of England, and today we've just taken delivery of one of the all-new Royal Enfield Super Meteor 650s. So I'll be doing some filming of the various stages of unboxing this bike, and at the end putting some fuel in it and starting it up for the very first time. So stay tuned. Okay guys, so we've got the outside cardboard off, and I say very same as the very similar to the Hunter 350. It's wrapped in this sort of quite strong blue plastic, and it's all foam wrapped inside. There's your little box with the mirrors and the battery in. All this steel caging is recycled. All the cardboard's recycled as well. It's got these sort of straps on as well, hold it securely. So as you can see, it not much chance of it getting damaged in transit. It's very well packaged up. Anyway, let's crack on and take the frame off. Well, I've just got the outer framework off, guys, and just sort of getting into the bike now. So it's extremely well packaged, all this thick foam. Just starting to see the lovely Super Meteor now in all its glory. Upside down forks. Same engine as on the Interceptor 650. So let's crack on. So it's really starting to look good now. The Super Meteor 650 in this lovely interstellar green. Lots of nice detailing on it. Fuel cap's a nice little touch. It's looking really good. I think this is going to be a really good seller here in the UK. Okay guys, so it's pretty much unboxed now. So just walking around the bike. A really nice attention to detailing. Nice that you've got upside down forks now. Same engine as in the Interceptor 650. All the switch gears very nicely detailed. Got tripper navigation, that's nice as standard. It's looking really nice in this green. Just working around it. So I'll be doing a full review on this in the next few weeks. It's nice, it includes a centre stand, nice touch. Anyway, let's get it off this stand and start it up. Well, here we are guys, she's out and looking rather gorgeous. Let me just give you a little quick walkabout. Must admit the exhaust looked beautiful. We've got some fuel in it and we've connected the battery, so this will be the first time it's been started up since the factory in India. Here we go. Look at that, first press of the button. Well, I hope you enjoyed the unboxing, guys, of the Royal Enfield Super Meteor 650, and I shall look forward to bringing you the full review in the next few weeks. Bye for now.